Today we're gonna do the Casey Neistat custom glasses.
I didn't know where I was going till I abused it.
So to be completely honest with you, this is my first attempt at trying this, and I'm kind of very nervous that I'm gonna just mess the whole thing up. But I did spray paint it, and it's been like trying for maybe half an hour, and it doesn't look too bad. I think if we just scrape it off once it's completely dried, then it should be fine. I couldn't find a popsicle stick, but I'm gonna use this. Just gonna use that, and then we're just gonna keep scraping off, and hopefully it works. Hopefully this turns out okay, and I didn't just completely mess up my only pair of good glasses. So okay, so the glasses are done. I cleaned them as best as I could, and like they didn't come out perfect, but I personally am very happy with them. Yeah, let me show it to you. Hopefully it focuses. Look at that. It's like this. The white around the inside was mostly what I wanted to get, and you can see like when I was spray painting it, I really sprayed so that the paint goes like in the, I don't know what you call it, but in the edges, you know. There is still some paint on the side because it's not perfect, and there's still some on here that I can't get off, but I mean it's not that bad, right? Like it's not bad at all. I like it, you know. It's I'll probably eventually buy a different, like a new pair, and then just try it again, and I'm pretty sure those ones will come out better. But so far, like it's obviously it's not perfect, and it's not supposed to be perfect. It's like unique, I guess, but I'm not trying to be him or pretend to be him or whatever, or copy. Okay, it is kind of copying, but it's just nice to have like my own pair that I made that looks kind of like his, because I'm a big fan and he's a very big inspiration to me. So yeah, this was fun. This was a lot of fun to make. I'm very happy that the actual like lenses, I guess you can call them, like the paint just came off pretty easy, and I did like cover it with tape, so pretty excited. It looks pretty good considering this is the first time that I did this and I didn't have much idea of what I'm doing. The first time that I sprayed spray paint on this, I thought it was white spray paint, but it turns out it was clear spray paint. So this was the wrong stuff. I sprayed this on first, and because I sprayed this on first, it kind of ruined it in a way. So it's not exactly how I would like it to be, but it turned out pretty well. Look at that. I mean, it looks a lot like his, doesn't it? I mean, it doesn't look too bad, right? There's still so much paint on this thing. If this will focus, there's so much paint on it, like even at the top still. So I do need to like still clean it up, because the actual lenses and stuff is still pretty dirty, and there's like a lot of paint still in like some of the cracks, I guess. Eventually I'll just buy a new pair of glasses and then just do it properly, but for now I'm very happy with this. Like obviously I'm not trying to be Casey Neistat, but I like the design of his glasses, and I just wanted to make my own pair. Yeah, I still need to clean this, but for now